Good morning, children. Children, in today's session, I will be showing you the lesson number 1, that is Sparrow in English 1. Lesson number 1, Sparrow poem notes. For that, I want you all to take out one 4-line 200 pages book. I want you to take 4-line 200 pages book. For English 1, okay, you have to write your name and write here English 1 classwork. Okay, take out 4-line 200 pages book. Okay, take out 4-line 200 pages book. Okay, so you have to write your name and write here English 1 classwork. Okay, I want you all to be ready with pencil and eraser. Okay, children, I hope you're all ready with your classwork. Okay, so first you need to write the date. So today's date is 10 more hyphen 7/21. So write the date inside this margin. Write in the first line lesson number 1. Okay, what is the name of the lesson, children? That is a poem Sparrows. S should be capital letter. S P A R R O W S. Sparrows. Okay, children, write neatly, touch the line and write. When you're writing, you have to say and write. That is very, very important. Okay, children, leave one line after writing the lesson name or poem name. Write 1st May is new words. N should be capital letter. NEW, new words. WORDS, new words. Okay, first one tiny, capital letter TINY, tiny. Second one fear, FEAR, fear. Third one pride, P should be capital letter. PRIDE, pride. Fourth one cheer, CHEER. Okay, now there is no space to write fifth one, so turn the page. Okay, turn the page and write. Okay, fifth one sing, S should be capital letter. SING, sing. Sixth one rain, RAIN, rain. Seventh one bless, B should be capital letter. LESS, bless. Eighth one clear, C should be capital letter. CLEAR, clear. Okay, children, now we are going to write the poem. Each stanza we are going to write in each page. If you don't have a space to write complete the first line, you can move to the next line. Okay, shall we start, children? Yes, we are writing the first stanza. Sparrows here and sparrows there. S should be capital letter. SPARROWS, sparrows. Here you have to leave space after each word. You know, no children, how to write here. HERE, here, and AND, and sparrow, small letter. SPARROW, WS. Sparrows, there is no space to write here. Move to the next line. There. 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 Sparrows here and sparrows there. Next. So you're not supposed to join the next line in the same line. We have to move to the next fresh line. And you could find them everywhere. A and D and U. YOU could. COULD could. Find. FIND find them. THEM them. There is no space to write everywhere. So move to the next line. EVERY everywhere. WHERE full stop. Next, third line. You should not continue in the same line. Move to the next line. Then tiny nets with eggs in pair. THEIR there. Tiny. TINY tiny. Nests. NESTS nets. With. WITH with. X. EGGS eggs. So if there is no space, move to the next line. IN in pair. PAIR pair. Okay, write neatly. Okay, children. Next line. Okay, so you should not continue in the same line. So we have to go to the next line. And you could find them everywhere. AND and U. YOU could. COULD could. Find. FIND find them. THEM them. There is no space. Move to the next line. Every. EVERY every. Where. WHERE where. Full stop. Okay, children. So we have completed the first stanza. Okay, we have completed the first stanza. Shall we start writing the second stanza, children? Yes. So go to the fresh page for second stanza. Don't continue in the same line. So move to the fresh page. Okay, people, buildings, buses and cars. Again, the first letter should be capital PEOPLE. People, buildings, BUILDINGS. Buildings, buses, BUSES. Buses and and cars, CARS. Cars. Okay, people, buildings, buses and cars. So for the next line we have to move to the next line. We should not join to the first line. Have sent my sparrows very far. So H should be capital letter. HAVE have sent. SENT sent. My my sparrows. SPARROWS sparrows. Very 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 far. FAR far. Okay, next. So full stop. I need my sparrows back again. So third line. So fresh line. Move to the next line. I need my sparrows I need my sparrows back. B-A-C-K, back. Again, A-G-A-I-N, again. Okay, so while writing you have to say and write. That is very, very important, children. Next, the next line. So move to the next line. And want to play with them in the rain. A-N-D, and want. W-A-N-T, want to. T-O, to, play. P-L-A-Y, play. With. W-I-T-H, with them. T-H-E-M, them. I-N, in. The. T-H-E, the. Okay. Rain. R-A-I-N, rain. Full stop. So here we have completed the second stanza. Okay, children. Next, third stanza will be writing in the fresh page. Okay. O-H-O, God. G-O-D, God. Okay. Exclamatory mark. Please. P should be capital letter. P-L-E-A-S-E, please. Bless. B-L-E-S-S, bless. My, M-Y, my. If there is no space, move to the next line. S-P-A-R-R-O-W-S, sparrows. Dear, D-E-A-R. Oh God, please bless my sparrows, dear. Okay, next line. Move to the next line. So that, T-H-A-T, that. They, T-H-E, they. Come, C-O-M-E, come. Come back. B-A-C-K, back. If there is no space, you can write here, children. Without. W-I-T-H, with. Out. O-U-T, without. Any. A-N-Y, any. Fear. F-E-A-R, fear. Okay, full stop. Okay, next line, the third line. When the day is bright, W should be capital letter. W-H-E-N, when. The, T-H-E, the. Day, D-A-Y, day. Is, I-S, is. Bright, B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. And A-N-D, and. Okay, when the day is bright. The, T-H-E, the. Sky, S-K-Y, sky. Sky is, I-S, is. Clear, C-L-E-A-R, clear. Full stop. Okay, next line. Next, we have to move to the next line. They fly with pride and sing with cheer. Okay, T-H-E-Y, they. Fly, F-L-Y, fly. With, W-I-T-H, with. Pride, P-R-I-D-E, pride. And A-N-D, and. Sing, S-I-N-G, sing. With, W-I-T-H, with. Cheer, C-H-E-E-R. Okay, children, I want you all to write neatly. So we have completed new words in the lesson number 1, sparrows, and the poem. This is the first stanza. Okay, next, don't continue in the same page, move to the fresh page for the second stanza, third stanza. Okay, now so turn the page. If you have space one line, you can write there, or you can move to the fresh page. Refer, R-E-F-E-R, refer textbook, T-E-X-T, text, book, B-O-O-K, book, for, F-O-R, for, exercises, E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E-S. So we are not going to write the textbook part in the textbook part of exercise in the classwork. Okay, there is no question answers for this poem, so we are writing only the poem first, second and third stanza. So when you are all writing, I want you all to read and write. When you are reading and writing, it will be easy for you to write. Okay children, this I will be checking in the interactive session. So I want all the children to complete the notes part. Okay children, in case if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me in the interactive session. Okay children, thank you.